Hey there, it's Ashley from WTI, and I am in love with my new crochet bag. This is from Stizimn, and it is absolutely beautiful. I really like the pattern that it has here. It has a wide open top that you can easily put all of your things into. I like that it is compact, so this is a great purse to carry with you on vacation in your suitcase because it folds up really small and then you just pull it out when you're going to the beach. It's a great pool bag, and I like that it has the holes here, so if you do take it to the beach, the sand will come right out. I'm easily able to put all of my accessories in here, my wallet, my sunglasses, keys, makeup, a cosmetic bag. It fits quite a bit of stuff, and I absolutely love the design of this. A definite summer must-have, but really you can use this all year long. I also really like that I can pair this with just about anything. It has this neutral color here, but there are a variety of colors and patterns to choose from. And so if you are looking for a great bag to throw over your shoulder and go out, then I would highly recommend this one. Not only is it a quality product, but it really is very functional, and you can use it for a variety of different reasons. You could even use it as a produce bag if you're going to the store. So really beautiful. And that's my point of view.